Our channel is for you guys. Friends are voting for your hair. Let's play now with tracks and madness. This is fun and interesting. We will tell you kids about the road roller dozen plans. Then of course we count the numbers. This will be fun, play with friends.
Hello kids! Along the city streets, a police car continues to chase a car which violated the rules of the road. The car intruder exceeds the speed, not observing traffic signs. Guys, do you see? The car drove into the oncoming lane, and the garbage truck drove off the road. There is no way to cope alone. Need help. The police car went in search of the truck that could pull out a garbage truck. Of course, the van has agreed to help the garbage truck. Together, they went to his aid. Done! Now the trucks can hit the road. And the police car went to catch up with the intruder. Police cars that patrol the streets are equipped with a police siren and flashing beacons to warn other drivers and pedestrians of their approach. This is a signal that you need to stop or to give way. Spikes were installed on the road. A special flexible tape with metal spikes. It is used to catch an intruder. Such a tape pierces the wheels of a car,
Oh no!
and it is not able to move on. So the tow truck arrived here. This is a special vehicle designed for loading and transporting cars in case of breakdown, accident, or violation of traffic rules by the driver. See, the truck is equipped with a crane manipulator. Done! Great job! Now the tow truck will deliver the car to a special impound for cars that violated traffic rules. Bye-bye!